Good morning students. In this video we are discussing about the problems of in-text problems 2.4 and 2.5. First one here, calculate the mass of urea. Calculate the mass of urea required in making 2.5 kg of 0.25 molar aqueous solutions. Aqueous solutions. So here molality, molality, molality equal to number of moles, number of moles of solid, number of moles of solid divided by number of moles of solid by value of the mass of the solvent, mass of the solvent, mass of the solvent, number of moles of solid divided by mass of the solvent. Molality equal to number of moles of solid, number of moles of solid divided by mass of the solvent, mass of the solvent. Then here and here number of moles, how to calculate number of moles? Number of moles, n equal to weight by molecular weight, weight into weight by molecular weight, molecular weight. So weight we don't know, weight we don't know. Then molecular weight of the urea, molecular weight of the urea. So molecular weight of the urea, molecular weight of urea, urea equal to, what is the formula? NH2CO NH2, NH2CO NH2. So N means 14, 14 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus CO, C means what? C means 12, 1 into 12 plus, then another one is O, 1 into 16 plus 1 into 16 plus, then NH2 14 plus 2, 14 plus 2, then equal to what? Totally 60, totally 60. Then here n equal to weight by 60, weight by 60, n equal to weight by 60. So that is the number of moles of solid, number of moles of solid. Now here the solution, weight of the solution, what? Weight of the solution. So then mass of the solvent, what is mass of the solvent here? Mass of the solvent, mass of the solvent, that equal to mass of the solution minus mass of the solid, mass of solid minus mass of solution minus mass of solid. So here mass of solution minus mass of solid. So mass of the solvent equal to mass of solution minus and mass of solid. Then here mass of the solution, how much is given? 2.5 kg, 2.5 kg. So how much is given? 2.5 kg. So 2.5 kg, 2.5 kg means that converted grams. What happened? 1000 minus W. So 25,000 minus W. That is the mass of the solvent. That is the mass of the solvent. Then now molality. Molality equal to, what is molality? Molality M equal to, so number of moles of solvent, number of moles of solvent. What is the number of moles of solvent? Weight by, this is number of moles of solvent, this is. So weight by 60, weight by 60 into then what 1000. So 60 into, that is 1000 divided by that is 250, 2500, 2500. 2500 minus W minus W. Then so here the mass is given, molarity is given how much? Molarity is given is 0.25, 0.25. So that is 0.25 equal to weight by into 1000 divided by 60 into 60 into then 2500 minus W minus W. After calculating, you will get a W. So here W equal to 36.945 grams. 36.945 grams. So this is the answer of 2.4. Molarity means number of moles of solid divided by mass of the solvent. So number of moles means weight by molecular weight, weight by molecular weight. That is W by 60. So molecular weight you will find out like this: 14 plus all 60, and after that mass of the solvent that equal to mass of the solution divided by minus mass of solid. Then mass of solid means 2.5 kg means into 100 into 1000 grams. Into 1000 grams, that is 2500 grams. 2500 grams minus W, and molarity equal to, molarity is given 0.25, that is molarity equal to W 60 into 1000 2500 minus W. Then that value substituted here. Now after the calculation you will get W equal to 36.946 grams. 946 grams. This is the 2.4 example. Then another one is calculate 25th 2.5 example problem. 25th one, 2.51. Calculate A molarity, B molarity, C mole fraction. So first one is here. First one is A. Molarity. A is molarity. So what is the molarity? Mass of number of moles of solid, divided by mass of the solvent. So here given 20 weight by weight percentage is 20%. 20% means that is 20 grams of Ki. 20 grams of Ki. Then here the will consider 20% means what? 20 grams of Ki. 20 grams of Ki. So 20 grams of Ki. So let 100 grams of solution 100 grams of solution, that is that weight of potassium iodide, that is 20 grams. Then weight of water, what happened? 800 minus 20, that equal to 80 grams. Then now molarity. What is the molarity? Molarity M equal to 0. N equal to N number of moles of solid divided by mass of the solvent. So number of moles of solid means weight by molecular weight. So weight by molecular weight, what is N here? Weight by molecular weight, that equal to weight by molecular weight into 1000 by mass of in grams, in V in grams. So that is here. What is that weight? 20 by marker weight is 166. What is one marker weight? Ki. Ki marker weight, marker mass 166. 166. So into 1000 by V in grams means how much? 80 grams. 80 grams. So here after calculating we will get this 1.5 moles per kg, moles per kg. So this is, we will calculate here molarity. M equal to number of moles of solid divided by mass of the solvent. So number of moles means weight by molecular weight into 1000 by V in grams. We will get 1.5 moles per kg, and another one is B. Another one is B. Molarity. Another one is B is molarity. So molarity means, what is the molarity? B. Another one is B. Molarity. So molarity, number of moles of solid, divided by mass of the solution, or volume of the solution, volume of the solution. So here volume of the solution means density is given here how much? 1.202. Density is given. So that is density equal to here, density equal to mass by volume. So volume equal to, then what is volume equal to what? Volume equal to mass by density. So mass by density. So molarity M equal to number of moles of solid, and divided by that is what? Mass by density into 1000 into 100 per 100. Why? Because 100 solution is here given 100 grams. So that's why here you will calculate here the number of moles here. What is the number of moles? That is 20 by 166 into density is above, that is what is 1.202. Then mass, what is mass? 100 grams of the solution into 1000. So here 2 minutes and we will get here molarity. Here how much this? That is 1.45 moles per liter, or moles M. So this is the molarity. Then another one is mole fraction. So mole fraction of Ki. Then mole fraction of Ki. So mole fraction of C, mole fraction of Ki. So mole fraction of Ki means Xki equal to number of moles of Ki divided by divided by number of moles of Ki plus number of moles of water. Number of moles of water. So here number of moles of Ki, weight by molecular weight. Weight by molecular weight. So weight is given is 20. 20 by how much molecular weight? 166. How much? 166. 166. So divided by, this is same, 20 by 166 plus this is, so 20, 100 minus 20, 80. So 80 by 80 by 18. 80 by 18. So that equal to here 20 by 166. 20 by 166, that is 0.12 by 0.12 plus 80 by 18. 80 by 18. 4.44. That equal to 0.12 divided by 0.12 divided by and you will calculate this one. We will get the mole fraction is here. The answer is 0.0263. 0.263. So this is the mole fraction of Ki. Mole fraction of Ki. So